Hey guys, hi. I'm back with another video, and in this video, I'll be doing a 3-minute makeup challenge with one of my very good friend. What we will be doing in this challenge is we'll be doing a basic makeup in 3 minutes, and for like recording the timing wala part, will put an alarm on Google for 3 minutes, and it will automatically beep after 3 minutes are over. So without any further delay, let's start. So I'm setting an alarm for next 3 minutes. Google, set an alarm for next 3 minutes from now.
Okay, 1:42 p.m. Setting your alarm.
Yeah, so let's start. I'll be applying this lipstick as my eyeshadow, just taking it and doing it. Mm, Putting eyeliner. I guess I'm done. So I'm done. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Akriti and I'm doing a fun video with my friend Aparna, and in this we are doing a 3 minutes makeup challenge. Although we decided on 1 minute, but 1 minute में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So in 3 minutes we have to do our full face makeup, and मेकअप करने के बाद हम यही बैठेंगे घर पे, और क्या, हमें कहीं जाना नहीं है. So basically the thing is I also don't know कि अपर्णा ने कितने मिनट्स में कंप्लीट किया, and I'll try to finish it उससे पहले. I'll just try. So I have lined up all my things here, and I'll give you the descriptions one by one when I'll be applying them. So I think let's get started. I have set the timer at 3 minutes, and I'm just going to press start. It started. So just I'll moisturize my face. I use the Neutrogena one, so I have moisturized my face, and I'll just directly go overboard with the foundation. I use this Lakme Absolute Mousse one. So what I'll be doing is, I'll just pat it on my face, everywhere. I don't care how I look, but it's okay. So after that I'll be using my compact powder. Oh wow, I don't know कि इतनी जल्दी मेकअप मैंने कब किया लास्ट. This is the highlighter guys. Just I'll just shine now. बिल्कुल ही आया नया उजाला type of feeling I'm getting right now. So this is done. So first I'll complete my eye makeup. This is my palette. So I'll just go overboard with the pink one. I'm just applying all over my lid. Okay, this is done. This is done. I think you can see it, guys. The color is visible. Is the color visible? Okay, so this is visible. And now what I'm doing is I'll apply the kohl. Eyeliner के लिए I generally use the pencil one, but mine is not with me right now. So I'll apply the kajal one only, just to give a smoky look. I think this is, you know, quite visible. I don't care. So now I'll be applying my mascara over it. Oh wow, what good faces I make. I'll not be doing all that cut crease one, but I just don't care. I have chubby cheeks and deal with it, guys. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Pause. 38 seconds पहले मैंने ये challenge complete किया. I don't know. You can see my face. See my face. And I'll just go in my kitchen and cook food with this face on me. So this was a fun challenge. I don't know Aparna का क्या time है. I'm so excited to know. Thank you so much, guys. This is great. It feels great. Okay, bye bye.